Halika.
Halika is a kiss, I think, right?
And no, that means come. Come here.
Ah,
Come
then
or
how to
come
say
here.
kiss?
Kiss.
Halikan?
Halik.
Ah,
Yes,
halik.
halik.
Ah, that's why. Yeah, I remember
Kiss
this word.
is
That's why.
kiss is halik. Halikan means kissing.
Okay.
The person are kissing. But halika without the N, that means come or come here.
Okay. I live in Saudi Arabia.
I'd like to formally introduce myself. My name is Kay, and I am from the Philippines. I was born and raised in the Philippines, mainly in the island of Mindanao, where we speak Cebuano. It's our native language. But I can also speak in Filipino or Tagalog, since this is our national language. I think you know about that.
Yeah, which I want to learn. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Why do you want to learn Tagalog?
That's a good question because actually I hope you have gone through my profile that because I'm very passionate about languages. I'm currently learning Spanish. So yeah, I want more and more.
So
That's why I'm looking.
do you have other friends here or family in the Philippines?
I have colleagues. I actually work a lot with a lot of Filipinos. So yeah, I know just little few words and phrases like
What
basics, greetings, and all this. You know, even some bad words as well. Just very funny.
what are those words that you have learned or have been learning in Tagalog?
Like magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi, and yeah, like kumusta ka,
So
salamat,
let's have
walang anuman. Like,
so did you already know about how to sound respectful or polite?
yeah,
You
like
say
instead of
kumusta ka?
opo, you say opo, like that,
Yes.
right?
In a polite way, you say kumusta po kayo. Instead of using ka is singular.
Yeah,
But when
like
you
formal. I mean informal, right? Like to
but when
friends.
you use po, you use the plural form of the verb. Instead of using ka, you use kayo. Kumusta po kayo? Regardless if you are talking to a single person or more, you use kumusta po kayo. Kailan?
Kailan? When, right? Kailan?
When, yes. And then, paano? Means how. Thing about Tagalog actually is not that hard to spell.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
And then meron.
Meron? I don't know.
Meron.
Meron.
You have something. The opposite of wala. Halika.
Halika is a kiss, I think, right?
And no, that means come. Come here. Come
Then
or
how
come
to say
here.
kiss?
Kiss.
Halikan?
Halik. Yes,
Halik.
halik.
That's why. Yeah, I remember
Kiss
this one.
is kiss is halik. Halikan means kissing.
Okay.
The person are kissing. But halika without the N, that means come or come here.
Okay.
And then when you want to say your job or your work, you say, ang trabaho ko ay. Right?
That sounds Spanish. Trabajo.
Trabaho.
Yes.
Saan ko papunta?
Saan itu?
Papunta.
Papunta.
That means, where is this going?
Like for
Anong nangyari? What happened? Pera in Tagalog. When you knock on someone's door and you want to ask if anybody's there, say tao po. Tao po. It's actually, I need you. Kailangan kita. So when you ask someone, can you please hand me over my bag? Pakiabot ng bag. Gutom na ako. Or you can also say, busog ako. I'm full. Masarap ang adobo. Mainit. It's hot. The weather. Malamig. That means cold.
Malamig.
Market.
Palengke.
Palengke. Aralan. School. Aralan. Kainan. Kainan means the place where you eat. Malaki. Huge or big. We have maliit.
Double I right there.
Yes. Small. Means small. Tawa. That's your husband or your wife.
Little bit different. The
In
pronunciation.
Cebuano, Domingo. Lunes, Martes. But Domingo in Tagalog is Linggo. The same.
Yeah, exactly.
And
Just little bit different, yeah. Instead of B, you use B.
po sa pag-book mo ng lesson. Thank you for booking a lesson with me.
Walang anuman. Salamat. Anything.
Maraming salamat po.
Salamat. Paalam.
Salamat po. Paalam.
Walang anuman.